Welcome back, it's Chris at Fixer.com. We break down the cost to fix up your home so you don't have to stress. One of the key components of your HVAC system is the furnace. Furnaces use a specific fuel source to circulate warm air through ducts in your home. If the video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos about home renovation costs. Determining the right size furnace for your home heavily depends on what the weather's like in your area. Here, we have a map representing climate zones ranging from 1 to 5, with 1 being the hottest climate zone and 5 being the coldest climate zone. Each zone features the standard number of BTUs per square foot to efficiently heat your home. For smaller homes between 500 and 800 square feet, you'll likely need a furnace between 25,000 and 40,000 BTU per hour. Medium-sized homes between 1,000 and 1,500 square feet will likely need a furnace that's between 45,000 and 75,000 BTUs per hour. And large homes that are 2,000 square feet or more likely need a furnace that's between 90,000 and 125,000 BTUs per hour. Furnaces use a variety of different fuel sources which influence the cost. The least expensive fuel source is electric. You can usually expect to pay between $700 and $1,100 for an electric furnace. If natural gas isn't an option in your area, propane is a cost-effective alternative. Propane furnaces usually cost between $600 and $3,600. While the most common fuel source is a natural gas furnace, installation may be more expensive than other fuel sources, with a total cost between $500 and $3,500. Let's talk brands. Some of the less expensive brands include Goodman and Bryant. Goodman makes propane, natural gas, and electric furnaces, while Bryant makes oil, propane, and natural gas units. Carrier usually features higher quality units available with oil, propane, and natural gas fuel sources. Trane and Lennox are some of the most expensive brands. Both of these brands specialize in energy efficiency, with some units reaching an efficiency rating as high as 98%. Both Trane and Lennox feature most fuel sources except for electric. Installing a new furnace or HVAC system can be a big, expensive job, but knowing what climate zone you live in addition to the size, fuel source, and brand you need, can save you money in the long run. Head over to Fixer.com for quotes from local professionals in your area and our full cost guide. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like these. Thanks for watching.